Our Earth, a vibrant sphere teeming with life, faces a future of increasing uncertainty. The beauty of our planet, with its lush forests, vast oceans, and diverse ecosystems, is under threat. Human activities have accelerated changes in our climate, leading to a cascade of environmental challenges. As our climate changes, we are witnessing a rise in extreme weather events and natural disasters. Hurricanes, floods, and wildfires are becoming more frequent and intense, leaving devastation in their wake. These events not only destroy homes and habitats but also disrupt lives and economies. These events pose a significant challenge to our survival, demanding our attention and action. Communities around the world are coming together to respond to these crises, showcasing resilience and solidarity. Emergency response teams work tirelessly to save lives and rebuild what has been lost. From the depths of our oceans to the peaks of our highest mountains, the Earth's systems are interconnected. The health of our oceans affects weather patterns, which in turn influence the climate on land. Every element of our environment is linked in a delicate balance. A shift in one area can trigger a cascade of consequences elsewhere. For instance, melting polar ice caps contribute to rising sea levels, which can lead to coastal flooding and habitat loss. This interconnectedness means that local actions can have global repercussions. This interconnectedness makes predicting and preparing for disasters a complex and urgent task. Scientists are working around the clock to study weather patterns and develop models that can help us anticipate future events. Disaster preparedness drills are essential to ensure communities are ready to face these challenges. The future of our planet depends on our ability to understand and adapt to these challenges. By studying potential future scenarios, we can develop strategies to mitigate the impacts of climate change. Adapting to environmental changes is not just about survival, it's about thriving in a new reality. We must work together, using scientific knowledge and collective action, to mitigate risks and build resilience. Collaborative efforts between scientists, policymakers, and communities are crucial. By fostering a spirit of cooperation, we can create a sustainable future for generations to come. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell to stay updated for more content. Now let's begin. Natural disasters come in many forms, each with its own devastating potential. These powerful events remind us of the raw and untamed forces of nature that can strike without warning, leaving behind a trail of destruction and chaos. Earthquakes, arising from the shifting of tectonic plates, can shake the ground with immense force, causing widespread destruction. The sudden release of energy sends shockwaves through the earth, toppling buildings, cracking roads, and altering landscapes in mere moments. Tsunamis, giant waves often triggered by undersea earthquakes, can travel across entire oceans, engulfing coastlines with terrifying speed. These walls of water can inundate coastal communities, sweeping away everything in their path and leaving behind a scene of utter devastation. Volcanic eruptions, though mesmerizing in their power, can spew forth scorching lava flows and massive ash clouds, disrupting air travel and impacting global climate. The eruption of a volcano can transform the surrounding landscape, creating new landforms and altering ecosystems. Supervolcanoes, capable of eruptions thousands of times larger than any witnessed in human history, pose a catastrophic threat that could reshape continents and plunge the planet into darkness. The sheer magnitude of these eruptions can have long-lasting effects on the climate and life on Earth. These are just a few examples of the unpredictable forces that shape our planet. From the ground beneath our feet to the oceans and skies above, nature's fury can manifest in countless ways, each with the power to alter the course of history. Understanding the science behind these events is crucial for developing effective mitigation strategies. By studying the patterns and causes of natural disasters, scientists and researchers work tirelessly to predict and prepare for these events, aiming to minimize their impact on human lives and infrastructure. Predicting natural disasters is a complex and often inexact science. While we have made significant strides in understanding the underlying mechanisms, many factors remain beyond our control. Earthquakes, for example, occur deep within the Earth's crust, making their precise timing and magnitude difficult to forecast. Similarly, the formation and path of a tsunami can be influenced by numerous variables, including the depth of the ocean floor and the shape of coastlines. This complexity makes it challenging to issue timely warnings and evacuate populations effectively. Despite our best efforts, the unpredictable nature of these events means that we can never be fully prepared. This underscores the importance of developing adaptable strategies and fostering international cooperation. Despite the challenges, scientists are making remarkable progress in predicting and preparing for natural disasters. Advanced monitoring systems using networks of sensors and satellites provide real-time data on seismic activity, volcanic tremors, and weather patterns. Sophisticated computer models, fed with this data, are constantly improving our ability to forecast the likelihood and potential impact of disasters. Early warning systems, based on these predictions, can provide crucial time for evacuation and emergency response. Furthermore, research into building materials and construction techniques is leading to more resilient infrastructure, capable of withstanding the forces of nature. These advancements, driven by human ingenuity and collaboration, offer hope for a safer future. The importance of preparedness and early warning systems is tragically illustrated by the 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami. Triggered by a massive undersea earthquake, the tsunami caught millions unprepared, resulting in widespread devastation and loss of life. In contrast, Japan's response to the 2011 Tohoku earthquake and tsunami highlights the effectiveness of early warning systems and disaster preparedness drills. While the tsunami still caused significant damage, the loss of life was significantly reduced due to prompt evacuations and well-coordinated response efforts. These examples underscore the need for continued investment in scientific research, infrastructure improvements, and community-based disaster preparedness programs. In an era of increasing environmental uncertainty, staying informed about potential risks is more critical than ever. By understanding the science behind natural disasters and heeding the advice of experts, we can make informed decisions to protect ourselves and our communities. Supporting scientific research, advocating for sustainable policies, and participating in disaster preparedness drills are all tangible steps we can take to create a safer future. Remember, knowledge is power, and by working together, we can overcome even the most daunting challenges. Stay tuned for the next chapter, where we will explore emerging technologies and innovative approaches to disaster response. Subscribe below to ensure you don't miss out. While the challenges posed by natural disasters are significant, there is reason for optimism. Around the world, communities are coming together to build a more resilient future. Human ingenuity, driven by a desire to protect our planet and future generations, is leading to groundbreaking advancements in disaster prediction, mitigation, and response. From innovative technologies to new scientific discoveries, the potential for positive change is immense. The development of early warning systems, resilient infrastructure, and adaptive urban planning is transforming how we prepare for and respond to natural disasters. These advancements are not just theoretical, they are being implemented in cities and towns across the globe. Community-based preparedness programs are empowering individuals with the knowledge and tools they need to stay safe. These initiatives are saving lives and reducing the impact of disasters, fostering a culture of readiness and resilience. As our understanding of Earth's systems deepens and our technological capabilities advance, we can look forward to a future where the destructive power of nature is met with greater resilience and preparedness. The integration of satellite data and real-time monitoring is revolutionizing our ability to predict and respond to natural events. By embracing scientific knowledge, fostering international collaboration, and sharing best practices, we can create a global network of resilience. Researchers and policymakers from different countries are working together to develop solutions that benefit everyone. Empowering communities is key to building a safer and more sustainable future. By involving local populations in sustainable projects and decision-making processes, we ensure that solutions are tailored to the unique needs of each community. Together, we can create a world where hope for the future is not just a dream, but a reality. The journey towards a disaster-resilient future is ongoing, and your participation is crucial. Stay informed about the latest scientific discoveries, technological innovations, and policy developments by subscribing to our channel. Together, let us work towards a future where humanity and nature can coexist in harmony, even in the face of unpredictable challenges. Remember, knowledge is power, and collective action is key to building a safer and more sustainable world. Subscribe now and be a part of the solution.